Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to do TikTok emojis. Open TikTok application on your device and then open whatever video that you want to comment. Go to the comment section and start typing. So you should use these square brackets. So open the bracket and type emoji code. For example, it could be smile. I will show you this one, and then close the bracket. And now you see the magic. TikTok has changed this code into TikTok emoji. So this is these emojis are available only on the TikTok platform, and they are not available on the regular keyboard, Apple keyboard. So this is kind of exclusive thing. So that's how we can do TikTok emojis. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.